Welcome to Rocky Rookie House channel. I am relatively new to YouTube. I building an ICF home for my family. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, or hit the notification button. One of the problems that I come across that I'm sharing this with you today is a mistake made on concrete construction. So if you make a mistake with concrete and you have to cut it, it will cost you a lot of money. So take your time before you put your concrete on with your form and all that stuff, because it will cost you a lot of money. So the first experience that I had was with my footing. So I have a video with that if you search it on my YouTube channel. So the first time when I made a mistake, it was a big job, and I had to go out and rent a concrete cutter, and I needed a big one. So I tried to hire a contractor. A contractor said it would cost me at minimum 1,500 Canadian, and then it will go up from there. And I didn't want to take that chance. So I went around, and usually these home hardware stores are really, really helpful. So at Home Depot, I came across this one. So you can see my video about it, how I did it. Now this time I was building a beam pocket, and the application at this time is different. If it's high on the platform, and carrying this bulky, heavy machine is really, really unsafe, and also I don't have enough space to bring it and cut. So I needed a Sawzall. So I was looking for a Sawzall, concrete Sawzall blade. I don't know which one to choose, so I first chose this one. And this one, it turned out to be, and this type is, there's many, the one I chose is, I don't remember the company name, but these ones are not good. You can see the teeth are not made of diamond. So what you need is ones that have diamond coating. So specifically, I found few on Lowe's. So the one I found on Lowe's was one of them was this one, and this one was also not that great. It had a lot of diamond layer, diamond coating, but it wasn't doing a great cut. It was taking forever. So the best one was by Lennox. Lennox, the one I have was 8-inch. I wish I had 11-inch. But if you have a 8-inch, it's great. 11-inch. I had 8-inch, and it wasn't long enough for 6-inch, because when you put it in a Sawzall, some of the blade would be taken up by the machine, the Sawzall machine. So 8-inch was not long enough, was almost there, but it wasn't that long to cut a 6-inch concrete, 6-inch thick concrete, which is for ICF. ICF inside has 6-inch. So I wish I found this one, 11-inch one, but what I used was 8-inch, and this is great. I mean, it cut really, really nice and really quick, like a butter. And it's by Lennox. It has a picture, you can see over here. It has a brick picture, so it can cut metal, brick, and all kinds. And so the reason why I'm making this video is to save you money and time. If you have to cut with a Sawzall machine, and this is the blade to go. You'll see my video in a second.
Okay, YouTube. I overcame my fear of heights, and you can see I went up the top of on the platform of the second floor, and Raslan was cutting this off, this concrete piece. You can see I made a mistake measuring this out, and this plate is in the wrong space. I'm a little bit also dizzy right now because I'm very high, but I want to show you a special blade. I'm gonna get down to the safe place on the ground where I feel completely safe to videotape this, and I'm gonna show you I'm gonna talk about a bit about this blade. All right, it's done a great job of cutting 13-inch deep concrete, really rough concrete. With, you can see we ran out of gas, we stopped, but yeah, it's really cool. Okay, I'm gonna get off. Okay, so I'm going to make a video of what brand this thing is, where I bought it. They sell it at so it's really a good Sawzall. I think the brand is, I don't even know, but I'll get a video. I'll get it from internet when I edit this video. You can see the diamond pieces there, right? You can see the diamond pieces, and this is it right here. So I guess by Lennox 8-inch 200 millimeters. Yeah, it cuts really well. So I spent $50. It's $200 to rent any concrete cutter. So and I spent $50, so I lost money on that. So you don't need to lose money on that, right? This is what the video is about. Don't buy this one. And then there was another type that I bought from Lowe's. That one did not work. This one works great because it mentions about masonry, right? And it looks not so great when you look at it from the video, which I'm gonna edit, show you on internet. But it does a really great job. It's an amazing job it does. Okay, so I guess, yeah, we cut more, you can see, and this is a block right here. It was removed. You know, you see how smooth it cuts, right? You know, I'm glad there's no air in my concrete. You can see the ICF tie. Yeah, I guess, yeah, this is, we cut 13-inch deep by 8-inch wide. And so now it's should be ready for the beam. So that's a big relief now for me. This is the kitchen window here, and another kitchen window above it. Big windows, you know. Yeah, I'm getting some trees removed over there too. A little bit out of topic, but I'm getting some trees removed. Yeah, so we made a cut, a drill. We drill a hole there, and that's another subject on how to put power line, power service anchor. I'll make another video on that. So for now, this is enough, I guess. Okay, thank you.